So this is a video about Fiverr. I quite often use it as you see orders completed. So sometimes if you don't have the necessary skill sets or my email list is quite large, but if you don't have a large email list or you perhaps don't know how to rank your YouTube videos, even though ChatGPT does it really well, or you can't create thumbnails or artwork. This used to be quite horrendous for traffic, to be honest, but I think the ones that were selling fake clicks or really low quality, they're no longer on it. I've used a couple of these gigs recently, and it got like good results. So the platform's also quite good, but there's a few things on it that sellers that weren't really that great. So they've kind of mirrored Amazon in the sense of Fiverr's choice. So if you go on Amazon, this video is not about Amazon, but if you go on there and you're searching for stuff, and it'll go Amazon's choice or their recommendation, and it's usually quite good. So Fiverr's got that as well. There's all different prices. He's got just for example, SEO is very expensive in my money. Uh, Make sure I've not got you in hold or you won't hear me. It's like £90, or is that $70 if you're watching from a country that's in dollars. The Fiverr's recommended this one that's just came up, so we'll look at this. YouTube SEO expert. It'll get you subscriptions, views, and rankings. The kind of thing to look at here. There's 740 reviews, so he's had a lot of orders. This John L. You're getting a 5% off your first order as well, and it tells you it applies to orders of $15 or more. He's top rated. Here's a thing to look at as well: 9 orders in the queue. So as we speak, as we do this video, he's getting quite a lot of orders, and then there's all the basic, standard, premium. I would kind of go for basic to begin with, and also if you go up the levels, you get a lot more. You'll do 10 videos optimized, 6 in standard, and 3 on basic. So he's going to get the best keywords for the 3 videos. Is going to optimize your channel and make it visible on YouTube. So as a marketer, just look to see what it is: organic, subs, views, and ranking. And here's someone that he done a channel for. That's their stats. So it seems to be working really well. It is relatively quite expensive, but he knows what he's doing. He's getting that kind of 200,000, was it? What was it? 2 views, and then watch time, which is really important, and subscribers. So it's really good. It's 80 odd pounds, but it seems to be good. And then just look at the reviews. I worked with John multiple times. He's good and things like that. So there'll be quite a lot of reviews, and that's what he does. He's been on there since 2018, and he's been on the site 3 hours ago. So it's recent orders, recent uh, reviews. Most of them are 5-star, and you can just read. He's bought from before as well, so it seems to be all quite good repeat clients, and will come out of that. So that's stuff that it's coming up. It's a bit like Google. It knows what you search for. So I've looked at these sort of gigs before, and you can just click on it. But you can also search for all different sort of gigs. That your business might be different from mine. So graphic and design, and then there's so much in this site that you can can look for. So say you need a logo for YouTube, and it's logo and design. So you click on that, um, and then you can. He's quite good. That's quite a good price, but you can also search by budget, delivery time, different things. So uh, this one's quite good because it's only £30 or $20, and look, he's had perfect scores. It's out of 5 the ratings, and he's had over 1,000 more than the last guy as well. It's actually 1,287 reviews, and he's an exceptional number of repeat buyers. If you really wanted a premium logo, you could, but basics should be fine. And he's going to do it, and I've had this done before myself, so they do an outstanding job, and he's had a lot of repeat buyers that they were happy with the logo that they've done for him in the past, and the repeat buyers are back for more. And there's quite a lot of recent reviews in this as well. It's just really looking at the reviews, the price, and what they offer. So if you're looking for a logo, then he would be ideal. And you can actually just search for something that I've done recently, promote link, but it's just a bit dodgy, to be honest. There was a lot of sellers selling really low quality, but I think they've eradicated that, which is really good. But still, to do a bit of search on this sort of product, because you're wanting it to be real click. So you should always track your links. You should be able to do it through an autoresponder if you use that, or Bitly, just to see that you're actually getting clicks. So the thing with promoting link, I'm kind of put off if it's really cheap. But here's somebody that I would probably be interested in. Fiverr's Choice. He's had nearly perfect score, and also 1,000, nearly 2,000 reviews now, top rated. I think he's got a YouTube channel which kind of goes in his favour. And you have to read it on there actually. He's doing one link, and he's obviously got a big blog, and he'll do that for that price. And then the standard isn't that much more. So you have to go on the YouTube channel to see that. He got 5 ratings, and there's quite good reviews. He does affiliate marketing, SEO. He'll respond to your email within about 2 hours. And he's mainly had quite good reviews. This man understands digital marketing. They're saying his strategies work. He's got repeat buyers, so that's someone that you may consider. Let's see. And then we might, I don't know what else you could search for anything really. Digital marketing. Could have this video all day really. There's so much in it. It really depends what you're searching for. Let's see. So social media marketing. That's like Facebook, Instagram, etc. So we'll see what they're offering. So it could really it's quite, even that subject's quite vast. So there, what I do a YouTube campaign, like go through Google Ads. So this is someone, if you're wanting to do a YouTube ad campaign, what's here, one targeted ad campaign with 2 ad groups. So they're using YouTube ads, which can be quite expensive, but through them it's £40 or $30, nearly 3,000 reviews on this one, which seem to be quite good reviews. So they do it through Google Ads and they need a video link to promote. He's online at the moment, so yeah, it's almost 3,000 views, or 3,000 orders rather that he's had. So if you want to use him, you can. He's got quite good reviews, repeat buyers, so people have used them more than once, so you can basically get a lot of gigs, a lot of maybe skills that you don't have or you've not learned. People with larger email lists that can promote offers, do writing as well, and animation, and all different sort of things. So this is ideal for any business, but perhaps that you don't have a business. We have one that is like no other. Most companies in the industry, it's give me your money, but they'll never show you anything how they make money. It's just they want the commission. Well, we're a wee bit different. We have a boot camp, we have a free community, a business like no other, and you must check it out. And we would love to have you, and I'll put the link to Fiverr for this as well, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.